Welcome to 10 Card Therapies. Today I'm guiding a shorthand reflexology routine to help with overwhelm and sensory overload. So we're going to start by placing one hand into the other. Feel the weight and the warmth. Nothing forced, just noticing. Then you're going to take your thumb and press it to the base of the other thumb, just gently in there. This reflex point supports calming and focus. Hold for a few seconds and breathe comfortably. Then take that thumb and press it into the palm. Circle to the centre. This helps release tension and restlessness. If it feels tender, go softer. Your body's just speaking. Then again, take the thumb and move across the base of the fingers. Gently squeeze or roll across the base. This is to steady the nervous system for overstimulation. Then you swap hands. There's no rush, you can press pause if you want. Okay, take that thumb again and then gently press into the base of the pad of the other thumb. And breathe. Take the thumb again to the centre of the palm to release that tension and restlessness. Then take the thumb and you're going to move across the base of all the fingers there. Okay. Nice little caterpillar movements going across there. Take one more comfortable breath. You're allowed to slow down. Your nervous system is allowed to rest. Thank you for being here in this calm space with me. Press subscribe and like to see more videos like this.